Hi everyone, I'm Ida. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw eyelashes. So let's get started. I uploaded a video about drawing eyebrows. In that video, I told you to draw lines which are thin in both ends. But for drawing eyelashes, I want you to draw lines that are thin in one end and thick in the other. Eyelashes aren't straight, so you should draw curved lines. Look at this basic shape of the eye. You should draw eyelashes in the directions I draw. The eyelashes at the end of the eye are curved outwards. In the middle of the eye, eyelashes are almost straight. And at the beginning of the eye, eyelashes are curved outwards. It's the same for lower eyelid. Now let's practice. If you want to learn how to draw eyes and eyebrows, watch my tutorial. Its link is on the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.